in the industry, the first kind of like solution to it is, okay, we have a decentralized password problem. Let's centralize them all in one vault. So the first one is shared key vault. So basically you have kind of like a shared password manager. You save your passwords there, and everybody kind of accesses them and it gives you access to the server. The problem with this is, yeah, you solve the problem of decentralization. Now all the passwords are in one place. There's less keys to manage because it's one key for everybody type of thing. But that's also a con because you have one key for everybody. So you don't know who did what. You don't know who's the one that got compromised. It's harder to rotate the keys because someone has to go in and know where all the servers where this key is being used and rotate it. So it becomes kind of like one master key that it gives you access to everything, and there is no kind of like isolation of like this key is only used for this. It just becomes kind of easy. And as you mentioned, the engineers are there to make amazing products and have amazing SLAs. They don't have in the back of their mind like, we have to protect this, we have to do this. So that's shared key vaults.
So I'm hearing a couple of pretty glaring issues here. Number one, we know that breaches happen. We know that breaches are super expensive, like an average of $4 million per breach. Can you imagine being in the position that we're looking at shared credentials and there is zero audit log? Like, I get the fact that they're centralizing it, but now we're losing all visibility into where the leak started, right?